Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs that you have within the Brave browsers. So let me go ahead and open up my Brave browser here, right? And what we're going to do, let me choose a profile. Let's just choose this one, and here you can see that we have youtube.com, and I will just go ahead and type Google, for example, and now we have two tabs open. Now, for example, if you should somehow close out of your Brave browser, let's go ahead and close out. And if you should open up that again, choose your profile, you will realize that you still have those two tabs open. And that's actually a good thing. But what if this does not work? The first way that you can restore that is just simple click on the burger menu on the top right hand side. And here under history, you should be able to see those websites that you recently visited. And here as well, you have two tabs. So if you have a lot of tabs that you opened, you can restore the entire tab. And this will show you all those tabs. And I'm going to show you how. So let me go ahead and close out of this, for example. And let's go back to the burger menu here. And under history, you will see those two tabs. So if I click on it, you will see that I have those two websites, and I can simply click restore window, or I can click on each of one of these websites and it will restore that specific page. But if I click restore window, you will realize that I have two websites that I visited. So if I have like 10 websites, it will just restore all of them, and that's actually cool. Another way you can do it, if you have just like a single web page that you have done, you'll realize that if you click under the history, you see the option Control Shift and T right here. So you can do that. You can simply click Control Shift and T to restore a single page that you've recently visited. So that's a quick way how to do it. But as I said, if you have multiple pages, you can simply click on them to restore all of them. You can also go through it more if you click on history here or press Ctrl H. You can go to your history and you can go through various amount of web pages that you have been through. And if you have a lot of web pages that you have visited over the last days, you'll be able to see multiple dates, and you can just scroll through and restore the ones that you so desire. Now guys, I really hope you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew. And go ahead, hit the subscribe button below if you're seeing the channel for the first time. I'll be happy if you join the community so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.